Lithium battery anode and cathode tap recycling production line. The crushed lithium battery positive and negative electrode fragments are transported to the grading area by the negative pressure system. The centrifugal and shear forces generated by the high-speed rotation of the grading wheel make qualified black powder enter the next process through the grading wheel. Materials that have not passed the grading wheel will be carried to the chamber wall by the centrifugal force of the grading wheel and continue to be peeled off after descending. During the stripping process, the values of copper and aluminum discharge are controlled based on the parameters of the stripping system. The discharged copper and aluminum have high purity and extremely low content of black powder. The black powder contained in copper and aluminum will be screened by a screening system. The screened copper and aluminum are discharged through the discharge port and enter the collection container. The screened black powder will be introduced into the stripping system for secondary extraction through negative pressure. The black powder is collected by entering the cyclone collector through the grading wheel. During the collection process, extremely fine powder will follow the negative pressure system into the dust collector. The material and air are separated in the dust collector, and the material remains in the dust collector. The purified air is discharged through the pipeline. Should you have additional requirements, we are also able to provide an extended portfolio of recycling solutions for your selection.